Is the front of the forearm, incision, upper 1/4 and lower 3/4 junction, the upper transverse incision, and the two styloid process of ulnar and radial styloid process. Midpoint of these two, the skin is reflected laterally and medially. These are the incision of front of the forearm. Then after incision we find the superficial fascia, deep fascia, then muscles, vessels and nerve. Muscles, vessels and nerve. Here we find the superficial flexor muscles, and this one is the radial artery. You see on the radial styloid process, this one is the radial artery, and the superficial flexor muscles. This one is this oblique muscle, smaller. This one is the pronator trees muscle, Then this is the superficial flexors, pronator trees. This one is the flexor carpi radialis. Then narrow smaller muscles. This one is the palmaris longus. This is all about tendon and smaller muscle. This is smaller muscle and all about narrow tendon. This is the palmaris longus, and then this one is the flexor carpi ulnaris, and another one that is called intermediate layer is the flexor digitorum superficialis. These all are flexor digitorum superficialis. These four tendons together called flexor digitorum superficialis. These four tendons together called flexor digitorum superficialis, and this is called the intermediate layer muscles. And the deeper layer muscles, three deeper layer muscles. This one is the lateralmost muscle. This one is the flexor pollicis longus. This one is the flexor pollicis longus, and below the flexor digitorum superficialis we find the larger four tendons. These are the flexor digitorum profundus. Tendon. These are the flexor digitorum profundus tendon. Four tendons. Flexor digitorum profundus. And the last one is the deeper muscle, pronator quadratus. At the below on the bone, this quadrangular muscle is called pronator quadratus muscle. So three deeper muscles. This one is the flexor pollicis longus, and the deeper four broad tendons. These are the flexor digitorum profundus, and at the wrist, near the wrist joint, the quadratus muscle, deeper muscle. This is pronator quadratus muscle. This one is the pronator quadratus muscle. And on the medial side, we see these two. This one is the radial nerve, and this is the ulnar nerve. This one is the ulnar nerve and artery. So medial one, ulnar nerve and artery. Most medial one is the nerve, and lateral to that is the ulnar artery. So this is the ulnar nerve, and this is the ulnar artery. Most medial one is the nerve, and lateral to that is the artery, ulnar artery. Median nerve. You find the median nerve below the flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor digitorum superficialis, and above the flexor digitorum profundus we find the median nerve. So we find the median nerve below the flexor digitorum superficialis. This one is the median nerve. This median nerve is present in between the flexor digitorum superficialis, below the flexor digitorum superficialis, and above the flexor digitorum profundus. This one is the median nerve. This is all about front of the forearm.